Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you again so much for joining me here. Hoping a fantastic day. We're going to take a quick look here again at OP Optimism. This coin did very well for us yesterday. We took a nice 30% profit in about 5 hours on a 5x leverage trade. Again, we're keeping our trades safe and tight, honestly, for the moment, just because the market's so weird. But we also took, 57 minutes, took 35% from HBAR, and of course 40 minutes for Bitcoin. So nice little 21% there, honestly, really, really good stuff. So super happy that worked out well for our community, and thank you again to my community, or yeah, thank you rather, for the awesome feedback. I'm greatly appreciating the wonderful thank yous, and you're welcome, obviously. Okay, what I want to talk about here is the last 7 days of liquidation here for OP. It's getting pretty heavy up top, right? Folks are trying to short this coin for some unknown reason, and we have a lot of longs in play right now. So keep in mind, the price could absolutely wick down to $2 and destroy a lot of longs, right? But it makes a lot more sense for the price to continue higher, considering how close we are and how heavy of concentration liquidation we have above us. So to me, those who have the trade still open for our OP targets, I think we're more likely to hit our third and fourth target between 3 and 350. Okay, so I think it's pretty likely there, just based on from a liquidation standpoint, we're ready to rock and roll there. We can also see this ascending trend here too, working pretty favorable for us, and there's a lot of reasons why this coin is looking pretty good, right? We got nice pennant type of pattern here. Hourly looks pretty good. Okay, so let's talk about the daily first, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We do take a look at this trend line here as well. We can see we have broken free from this trend line. This is a crude illustration, of course, folks. It's never perfect, but as you can see, we've established previously lower highs and lower lows, and now we've effectively broken free from that in the last 3 or 4 days, right? So again, that's another reason why I felt confident taking a trade of this coin, just because we'd broken that descending trend line and we have reaffirmed ourselves as a bullish back test for the price action coming back down here, and that is an important thing. Okay, a lot of times you see that happen. So most coins are breaking bullish, but they're nowhere near like where they need to be for the larger term macro, right? Because we're still under all moving averages minus 20. 20 is a good trend setter, letting us know we've shifted momentum, but we can see the 200, 150 just kind of hanging out there above the price action. So there's no doubt that we're going to have some resistance between 280 and basically $3 even. That 0.5 fib will probably provide a significant rejection at first, but if we zoom out a little bit and we look at the volume, let's go ahead and see where that's at. The largest amount of volume we have, well, of course, we want to exclude previous months here. Let's go ahead and just look at from, somewhere back from November till now. We can see a lot of support just below the price action at 215 to 150. Okay, so there's definitely a lot of volume below the price action, so that reaffirms the fact that we have good support, but we do have some resistance upwards about 380. Just be mindful of that, but that's common at that 0.382, 0.236 fib levels. So everything's looking pretty solid here in the overall sense, minus the moving averages. We're over 50 in the RSI, stochastic still swinging up, and MACD is converging. So OP has a lot of good signs here letting us know continuation is more likely. 4-hour time frame, over 50 in the RSI, MACD is converging, stochastic swinging up, money flow index still maintaining itself above 50. These are all tried and true indications that I like to look for, with confirmation, letting us know that we are in good shape. Keep in mind too, we took our trades yesterday, not only because inflation data turned out to be neutral and there was no inflation, we were above 50 in the RSI leading into that. Okay, so when you have a bullish type of scenario leading into some bullish news or just more so neutral news, with everything being overextended as it was, it made perfect sense to take a trade of this coin. Furthermore, let's take a look at the hourly and just confirm every reason to consider keeping your long position open and or taking one. It does look like the price action wants to hit this upper trend line here and essentially break through this resistance at about 280. If so, a lot of liquidation will occur at about 285 or higher. Okay, so I think the price is going to run if we break through that level. So again, leave your position open if you have one open with OP for right now. It's definitely looking good. If you're considering a new one, just ensure you work within your own risk tolerance and essentially make sure your stop loss is appropriate, but pretty decent chance the price action is going to continue to maintain itself and continue higher. Mostly bullish on the hourly, 4-hour, and the daily is almost there. Okay, so OP, I'm bullish on OP for the moment. Absolutely looking decent. Quickly to note too, if you want to become a community member, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. You get a lot of questions on that lately. Also questions about Bitunix. They are a phenomenal exchange. Link down below. I would work with them. I actually visited Dubai here recently and got to meet with the founder, and it's really just an awesome experience. They are very, very good to our community. Link down below for them as well. Nice benefit rewards. Use my link to register. I hope you all have a great rest of your day though. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you soon. Take care.